How to Create a Wish List on Shopify Guide. Welcome back. Today we're diving into something that may seem small at first glance, but trust me, it can make a huge difference in how your customers interact with your store, and even how they feel about your brand overall. Picture this. A customer lands on your website, scrolls through your beautiful product collection, and finds something they really like. But maybe it's not payday yet. Maybe they're comparing options, or maybe they just want to think about it a little more. In most cases, they'll simply leave. And without any way to save that item, chances are they'll forget about it entirely. But what if you gave them a better experience? What if they could simply click a heart or a button to save that item for later, without adding it to their cart or making any immediate decision? That's exactly where wish lists come in. Adding a wish list feature to your Shopify store isn't just a small design choice. It's a strategy. It helps you increase engagement, reduce cart abandonment, and keep your products top of mind. It also gives you valuable data, like which products are getting the most saves, so you know what people are truly interested in, even if they don't buy right away. It shows that you care about your customers' shopping experience and that you're offering them flexibility. And for a business, that small interaction can turn into a future sale. So, in this video, let's break it all down and walk through how you can easily add a wish list feature to your Shopify store, step by step, using free tools available right inside the Shopify App Store. Let's get started. Right now, on my Shopify website, you'll notice I've got a clean interface with a search bar, cart view, and yes, my wish list view. Depending on the theme or tools you're already using, you might have built-in access to enable this feature quickly. But if your current theme doesn't offer it by default, don't worry. The easiest way to get started is by installing a Wishlist app from the Shopify App Store. Let's walk through the steps together. Head over to your Shopify dashboard. On the left-hand menu, click on Apps. In the App section, click Shopify App Store. Once you're inside the store, use the search bar to type Wishlist. You'll now see a variety of wishlist applications to choose from. Some are basic, and others offer more advanced, customizable options. I recommend selecting one that offers a free plan so you can test it out before committing. Once you find the one that suits your store, click Install and follow the prompts. Most of these apps integrate automatically with your theme and create a wish list icon or button visible on product pages. After installation, go back to your store to test the wish list functionality and ensure it's working smoothly. You can even customize the look and feel of the wish list button to match your brand style. Finally, explore the app's settings to see additional features like login requirements, email reminders, or sharing options. And that's it. You've now added a valuable feature that can improve both your customer experience and sales strategy. Now, when you're exploring wishlist apps, keep an eye on the pricing. Some of them offer a free trial, while others provide a completely free plan. It's important to understand the difference, because while a free trial might seem appealing, it'll eventually expire and require a monthly payment. For something as simple as a wishlist feature, paying every month may not feel justifiable, especially if you're running a small store or just starting out. That's why I recommend going for an app that offers a permanent free plan. This way, you can save on recurring costs while still offering your customers a helpful tool. One app I recommend is called Wishlist Plus. It has a solid reputation and a free plan available, making it a great choice if you're budget conscious but still want solid functionality. Once installed, you'll be guided through a simple setup process. Start by pinning the wish list feature to your site's navigation menu. This makes it easy for visitors to access their saved items. After that, you'll set your pop-up window appearance, including things like the background and primary color. It may seem basic, but for a free plan, the customization is often more than enough. Once you're satisfied with the setup, go ahead and click Save and Finish. As I mentioned earlier, don't underestimate the value of using a free plan here. Wishlist functionality is helpful, but it's not a must-have tool worth paying a high monthly fee for, especially if you're not yet scaling at a high volume. So, be smart with your tools and always prioritize features that deliver real value without draining your budget. It's not really worth paying for a wishlist app when you're just getting started. This brings up another really important point. Before enabling a wishlist feature, make sure you've already activated customer account creation in your Shopify settings. Because if your visitors can't create accounts, the wishlist won't serve much of a purpose. It'll just disappear once they leave the page. So now that the wish list is up and running, it's time to test it properly. Browse your product pages and add a few items to the wish list. Visit the wish list page and make sure all items appear correctly. Try removing a few products to ensure the remove function works. So go ahead, explore the available wishlist apps and implement this valuable feature on your store today. And if you've already added a wish list to your Shopify site, feel free to share your experience in the comments. Let us know which app you used and if you have any tips for others. And of course, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Disney Express, and stay tuned for more e-commerce growth tips. Thanks so much for watching, and hopefully, I'll see you in the next one.